This is part 1 of Sammie's combo order. She has 1 scoop. She likes Chiikawa and Pompompurin, and her favorite color is purple. Two canvas bags. Two pens. Plus 1 more. One highlighter. Let's add this mechanical pencil. One eraser. Plus 1 more. One tape. Plus this washi tape. Two mini notebooks. Plus 2 more. One beaded charm. Plus 1 more. One scenery sticker. Plus 4 more. Let's also add some cute stickers. One plush keychain. Plus 1 more. Two wallets. Let's exchange one for this cute coin purse. Let's add this plush pencil bag. Two pin badges. Let's add 3 more. Thank you, Sammie. This is all for your 1 scoop order. I can't wait to do your lucky pouches.